Hello friend, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm also fine, thank you. Welcome to your channel, that is a science group. Okay, today I bring a new mechanism of that is aldol condensation. That is very important mechanism, very important reaction about alcohol. So in this lecture about aldehydes, so in this lecture we will be discuss the mechanism of aldol condensation. The mechanism of aldol condensation is that that first of all in this mechanism one aldehyde groups, that is aldehyde, that is C double bond OH, and that is R groups, that is HCHR, that is whole R groups. So and that is OH group, that is nucleophile, that will be act as a nucleophile. So that will be attack from the solvents. So this water, this OH will be attack on this, on the mechanism. This is the one substrate. So on this substrate, on this aldehyde group, that is alpha hydrogen, because that are attached with the hydroxide, that are attached with that carbon, that are directly attached with the functional groups. So that will be called alpha hydrogen, and the nucleophile will be attack on alpha hydrogen. So that's why this bond will be shift here, here will be double bond formed, and this double bond will be shift here, and here will be negative charge produced. But at the same time this negative charge will be again attack, and here will be double bond produced. But this double bond, when here is a double bond formed, so this double bond again shift here, and here will be produced negative charge. So like here this H will be combined with this OH, because OH attacked on this hydrogen, because deprotonation are occurring. So on deprotonation, water will be aqueous will be formed, and this aqueous, this CH groups or this alkyl group or this alpha carbon will be get negative charge because of deprotonation, and this will be double bond again remain same as before. But here in this case, this negative charge will be because this negative charge contains 2 electrons, so this 2 electron will be shift here, and here will be one bond produced, and each, we know that each bond have 2 electrons. So this double bond will be produced, and this double bond will be, because carbon have maximum covalency as 4 and carbon has already 4 covalent bonds. So when this double bond shift here, and when here is double bond forming, so that's why this double bond will be shift here, and this double bond will be break. So that's why the oxygen will be get negative charge is like that. I hope that will be clear. So same case, when there is 2 aldehyde groups are attacked by 2 nucleophile or 2 OH, means in one case this product produce, in another case this product will produce. So or you can say that when in one case this product produced, that is in which carbon has negative charge, means when H carbanion is produced. So when this carbanion can also attack on primary substrate. This carbanion will also attack on primary carbanion. This is primary substrates, a primary aldehyde that we used in initiation of the reaction. So that's why this is the aldehyde that we used in initial stage, and again this molecule, again this, not this molecule but like this molecule, another molecule will be attacked by this carbanions, and this carbanion will be attacked on this carbon. Why they attack on this carbon? Because this carbon has partial positive charge, and oxygen have partial negative, because oxygen is more electronegative and carbon is less almost carbon is electropositive, not electropositive, but as compared to oxygen it has very low electronegativity. So that's why oxygen will be withdraw the electrons. So that's why oxygen will get partial negative charge, and carbon will get partial positive charge. So that's why this carbanion or this nucleophile or this negative charge will be attack on this partial positive sides, or you can say that nucleophilic center, that is nucleophilic, because nucleophile can attack on this center. So that's why this nucleophile will be attack here, and this double bond will be shift here. The electron, because carbon has already completed their covalency, so that's why one bond will be when one bond is produced, so that's why another bond will be breaks, because of to complete their covalency, to complete their octets. So that's why this oxygen will get negative charge, and the remaining thing will be same as before, and this oxygen will get negative charge. Again, once again we will do another thing, that is protonation, because this compound will get one proton to stabilize this ions. So that's why that will be again accept a proton from the water initially when they was produced, like here when the nucleophile in initiation, when the nucleophile was attacked on hydrogen. So that's why this proton will be again use here and produce here is OHIs, and this will be the final product that is produced, and that is called that is alpha carbon, sorry, that is functional groups, and that is alpha carbon, that is beta carbon, means that is beta hydroxyaldehydes, means in aldol condensation beta hydroxyaldehyde will be produced. These are the mechanism of aldol condensation, and that is very important reactions, should be remember this, and we will be discuss one by one mechanism every day. And okay, thank you very much, very best of luck, be steady, be careful, okay, thank you very much. And also please subscribe my channel, it makes me feel happy that my channel are supporting me. Okay, thank you very much, very best of luck.